Hello and welcome. It is the winter time, so it's time for those hot drinks. Today I'm going to start a 2-episode series. We are going to make classic hot drinks, not coffee. First episode is going to use simple tool. I'm going to use an electric handheld milk frother to make those cappuccino style drinks. And the second episode will be using the espresso machine. Before we continue, click that subscribe button. In today's video clip, we are going to make use of handheld electric milk frother to make the cappuccino-like drinks, and I'm going to show you 3 different types of hot drinks. One is hot matcha, the second is hot cappuccino using instant coffee, and finally I am going to show you how to make cinnamon hot chocolate. All the recipes will be in 10 ounces, 300 ml cups. Let's start with the first drink, which is hot cappuccino using instant coffee. I'm going to place everything in my serving cup: 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of sugar, hot water about 45 to 60 ml. At this stage, you can either use your electric milk frother to make it dalgona style, but because I'm going to froth my milk, I'm going to simply stir all the ingredients and make sure they are fully dissolved. Next step is to froth the milk. Use warm milk. Froth until creamy and thick. Tap and swirl to remove large bubbles. Place the milk foam on top of your instant coffee mix, and then pour the warm milk into the middle of your cup. Straight into the middle. Bring it up to the top. Cover the top with sprinkles of cocoa powder. Hot mochaccino using a handheld electric milk frother. Next, let's make hot matcha green tea latte. I'm going to use a matcha bowl, and into this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of matcha. Use a strainer to make sure that the matcha powder will be broken down into finer particles. Add hot water. I would suggest to use 45 to 60 milliliters of hot water. Use a matcha whisk to dissolve the matcha powder and wait for that bubbly top. Because I'm going to make a vanilla bean matchacino, I'm going to add 2 pumps of vanilla bean, which is about 10 to 15 milliliters of vanilla bean syrup. Whisk once again to make sure everything is well combined. Pour into your serving cup. Froth your warm milk using a steaming pitcher. Froth until thick and creamy. Tap and swirl to remove the large bubbles on top. And then this time I'm just going to pour the milk straight into my cup all the way to the top. Finish it off with your creamy topping. Sprinkle with matcha powder, and we have our hot matcha green tea latte the easy way. Next, we are going to make cinnamon hot chocolate. Into your serving cup, 1 tablespoon of your favorite cocoa powder. Add about 45 milliliters of hot water to dissolve the cocoa powder. And because this is hot chocolate, it should be sweet. So I'm going to add about 15 to 20 ml of sweetened condensed milk. Stir to completely dissolve the chocolate. And if you'd like the cup to be clean, you can make the mixture in a separate cup and pour into your serving cup later. Froth your warm milk. Tap and swirl to remove the large bubbles on top. And we are going to use the same method here. First, we are going to scoop up the foam, place it on top of your chocolate mix, and then pour the warm milk straight into the middle of your cup. Bring it all the way to the top. it would be ideal to see some of the chocolate mix along the sides of your cup. And if you still have some remaining foam, scoop up a little bit more on top. And this time I am going to sprinkle with cinnamon powder, making this cinnamon hot chocolate, perfect for the winter season. There you go, 3 classic hot drinks using very simple tools. In the next episode, I'm going to show you how to make the same hot drinks using the espresso machine. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.